Oh yeah, here we go.
Do it.
Oh shit! This is great!
Yeah,
no, he just kicked the door on him. Oh yeah, he popped him in his nose.
Good.
Split his nose already.
That's what you get, man. If you're gonna be a fuck.
Vehicle unsure.
There really was a lot of buzz coming out about different QB situations throughout the league. You know, Malcolm Jenkins announced his retirement. I don't want to give him short shrift. We'll get into that a little further. Coming up, Matt Corral in a half hour to coach Charlie Weiss. You'll like it. Stick around.
Hill and all his plays that he's capable of making, but they still have a lot of talent on that football team. It starts with the quarterback. When you have that guy, you can kind of hide a lot of other issues. Now, they have to make sure they continue to kind of
If we're far enough away from enough people, I would like to just tentatively see what is going on in her mind to make sure she's not trying to set us up for another freaking ambush.
Okay, so you're opening your mind in her direction.
Second location.
Yeah, but I want to.
Les deux périodes, j'ai vu que ça s'enlignait pas pour une victoire, puis j'ai été.
Oui, ben j'ai fait la même chose que vous. On a été surpris ce matin pour le résultat. Ben, en fait, ils avaient remonté, ils ont fini par perdre. Et moi, je suis un peu comme vous. J'ai une équipe qui est loin, mon équipe première, mais j'ai quand même.
Oh my god! Fuck! Oh! Yeah!
I gotta get this painting, and then you just throw it out. Yes, I definitely have those.
Jesus.
And also, police reported ahead.
Every mountain, I swim every ocean.
Police reported ahead. Okay, yeah, he's being vibes. Oh, wow, wow, wow.
What the hell, dude? You can't just take a fucking U-turn from the middle of the road.
Okay, so another like small town.
Yeah.
I remember hearing about it. Like mom and dad would maybe when we lived down in that area,
Carrizozo, that's what I was
the
thinking of.
Carrizozo area. Okay.
Did that guy, what is that guy? Holy crap.